Hey guys, this is me Shashank once again, and today we'll be doing a DIY video, that is do it yourself. We're gonna make a Bluetooth earphones which will cost you around 400 rupees. Okay, you just need 6 things for it. A slab or anything that just doesn't burn, which I think won't cost you anything. A Bluetooth receiver which costs around 250 rupees in Amazon. Soldering flux, soldering wire which you can get within 30 rupees in any local store. Earphones which is not necessary to buy. If you have an earphone with a damaged 3.5mm jack, you can even use that. And a soldering iron which might cost around 150 rupees in local stores. If you have this with a friend or you own it, then congrats, you just made a Bluetooth earphones for just 200 rupees. Firstly, cut the earphones and separate them into two. Next, open the Bluetooth receiver. Here, you can see 3 points where we need to solder the earphone wires. The first one is for the left earbud, which is usually green colored. The second is for right earbud, which is usually red or blue in color. And the last is for 2 ground wires, which are in golden color. Peel the rubber from earphone wires and you can see 4 wires. Join the 2 golden wires together. And now you'll be left with the left and right earbud wires. It's time to solder these wires together. Just take a dip of solder flux and then we are ready to solder with the soldering wire. Just a word of safety, the soldering iron can get too hot, so be very careful with it. It can ignite a matchstick easily without any delay. So when you solder, make sure you don't use paper or any wooden table as your surface, as they are very fond of catching fire. You can use ceramic tile or anything that doesn't catch fire easily. Okay, so let's move on. Of course, I'm no expert in soldering. Well, that doesn't matter, you just have to make a blob on each of the wire, just like this. And then just tap them on the receiver in the following order. The green wire on the top, then red or blue wire depending on the earphone which you have, and at last the golden colored wires. Of course, you can also solder over here, but then you have to be much more careful. And one more thing, you cannot just use cellophane tape to make this work. You need to solder for this to work. Now, before closing the Bluetooth receiver, make sure to check whether the audio is playing or not. There you go, you have your own Bluetooth headset. Now just make small slits on both the sides of the receiver and then struggle for some time for closing it. And after that, bam, you're done. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you want more DIY videos, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, this is me Shashank signing off, and you guys have a great day.